If your backyard gets this kind of direct sun, it's not just uncomfortable, it limits how much you can actually use your space. Like my daughter can't even play comfortably without squinting and trying to avoid the light. I was gifted this 10 by 20 sunshade in a dark gray, and it covers a large area, making it ideal for patios, play spaces, or anywhere that just gets constant exposure. The material is tightly woven, which helps reduce glare and limit how much direct sun comes through, but it's still breathable. You get multiple installation options, which makes a big difference depending on your setup. The grommet design is actually one of the biggest things that affects how well this holds up over time. They're reinforced and placed all the way around on every side, so the tension isn't just pulling from a few weak points. Each corner also has a double grommet, which gives you more flexibility when you're attaching it and helps distribute that pull more evenly. That matters, especially with wind, because instead of stressing one spot, it spreads the force across the entire edge. It helps keep the shape, keeps it secure, and reduces the chance of tearing and stretching over time. That design makes it easier to get a secure setup, especially if you're working with different anchor points or customizing the layout for your space. Once it's fully laid out and installed, that's where the size really stands out. A 10 by 20 coverage area creates a significant shaded zone instead of just covering a small section, and the difference is immediate. You're reducing direct sun exposure, cutting down glare, and making the space noticeably more comfortable. It turns an area that's too hot and bright to use into a space that actually works for everyday life. The Nurtured Nest test, tested in real life for real homes. This is Nurtured Nest approved.